Fall back.
You have just voted, sir. Just give us your assessment of the election so far.
I think this particular unit, which is my unit, the machine is effective. So I believe if every other unit around the LGA and in the states, it goes this way, there will be a age-free election.
Process is so nice. There is no problem. It's peaceful. Everything is going on peacefully.
I came in, did my accreditation right now, then went and took my voters' papers and went and voted without any problem.
The materials arrived quite on time, and then you can see full compliments of INX staff and security people and all the camera people here. And here, very highly organized this thing because it's the units of the governorship candidates here. You can see them seated, and then they are very, very well organized.